So today we're going to talk about advocacy. Advocacy is a skill that can help us stand up for ourselves at the doctor's office, or with a boss, or in school, or with peers. The word advocacy actually means the act or process of supporting a cause or proposal, and it typically has something to do with promoting health and accessing health care in communities. Being able to advocate for ourselves and others could really change the world. I love this quote by Dr. Seuss. Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not. I think a lot of times teens don't feel like that they have a voice, but there are plenty of ways that you could advocate for yourself or for things that you feel are important in your world by using social media, making posters, put them around the community, just speaking your mind and getting other people to hear what you have to say. So as you go through this lesson today, this is going to be the beginning of our drug unit. We're focusing on advocacy and seeing how that fits into the information that you learn about the drug unit.